Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels in the Priceline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the book button at the bottom of the page on the left. And at the top of the page, click on the hotels button. And then click on the search bar and just type any place where you want to go. And then the check-in and the checkout date. And lastly, the number of rooms and adults or children staying with you. And then just click on the search hotel button, and it usually takes a couple of seconds for the application to find deals, but here they are. And now you can just scroll through them and find the one that's the most optimal for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.